Have you ever been in a yoga class and they do this? And you're like, what are you doing? What is this? In a yoga class, you might have heard the chanting Om, and you're not really sure what it is. So don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to explain what Om is, and later in the video, I'm going to share with you benefits of doing Om with your practice. So what is Om? So the sound is a sacred spiritual symbol in Indian religions, and the meaning of Om varies depending on the school across different traditions. So it's not all the same. It is a part of the iconograph found in ancient manuscripts, temples, monasteries, in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. So as a syllable, it's often chanted alone before or after spiritual practice or during meditation, and it is often found at the beginning and the ends of the chapters of the Vedas, Upanishads, and other Hindu texts. So these texts are important because these are what some of the things that yoga is based from, especially the more of the spiritual side of yoga. The sound of the Om is believed to be the sound of the universe, which can be heard echoing throughout time and space. And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So let's carry on. What are the benefits of doing Om? So there are also some scientifically based benefits of doing Om, which are not related to religion. So when you do the Om, it's like a humming sound. So it starts in the stomach and then moves up. And then imagine coming out here, just in between in your forehead, in between your eyebrows here. So when you're doing it and chanting the Om, the vibration massages your vagus nerve. This nerve passes through the opening in your diaphragm, which is the muscle here used for breathing. And when it's massaged, it helps to put your body into a relaxed mode and decreases your heart rate. So this is because it's largely responsible for the parasympathetic response, which is also can be the rest and digest mode or relax mode of your body. So we have two cycles. We have the sympathetic, which is the active or the fight and flight mode. And then we have the parasympathetic, which is the relax mode or the rest and digest. And you can also get a similar response by humming, singing. One more benefit when doing the Om in a yoga class setting, you can give the feeling of unity between all the students and with the teacher too. And you may not know, but the word yoga or yog comes from the word meaning unity, but that's a whole different yoga video. YouTube video. And if you want to make English yoga a habit, please subscribe to my channel so it helps support me, so I can help support you with your English yoga practice. If you want to learn more about English yoga, please check out this video right here. Go on, click on it. What are you waiting for? Click on it, go. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.